It's the 13th of June 2025, and I have a quick overview and a review of the Vital Health Global Company. I have been to Hermosillo, Mexico to see the company, and I want to share with you on my screen sharing some pictures. So this was one of the last things we did. We toured the new warehouse that has 6 months of raw materials for producing all of the Vital Health Global homeopathic wellness products. And these products are not designed to treat, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Please check with people that are qualified medical practitioners for any of your healthcare concerns. Vital Health Global is strictly a wellness company, and the products do absolutely nothing. And then that way, I fulfill my FDA regulations. So I want to quickly go to the next slide. This is Dr. Tony Rodriguez, who is a naturopathic doctor, a medical herbalist, and he has had tremendous success with helping people get the nutrition that their body desperately needs, and then the results speak for themselves. And so I'm not going to say anything else about that. He has a 6 month waiting list to come to his main clinic there in Hermosillo, Mexico, and he's got established clinics in other places in Mexico. So I just am very highly impressed with this man, with his knowledge and with his skill and with his humor. He makes life fun again. And so when you meet him, you'll see what I mean. This is one of the other owners, Alberto, and that is in the background, the huge new laboratory where the drywall is already been what's known as plastered. They're setting up a huge new laboratory, and it'll be the fourth one. And then on the back side of the right-hand side, there's a huge section of this warehouse that is climate controlled with 6 months of raw materials to make all of the Vital Health Global products. This is the most organized company I've ever seen in my life in 20 years in the industry. The payments for your commissions are on time. You get paid 4 times a month on the weekly bonuses and once a month on your monthly bonus. This is the game changer right here. Dr. Tony has developed some software for this quantum bioelectric analyzer, which is not, only specific to the Vital Health Global Company. But the software that he designed for people to be able to scan 45 key functions of the human body, that is only pertinent with the Vital Health Global Company. And you get a readout of all of those functions of your body. And I was amazed at some of my diagnoses that were on that scan. And the scan takes around 5 minutes to 7 minutes max, and you cannot talk when you do the scan. And so the efficacy rate of this software is over 93%. So here is where I want to get into showing the differentiation with most companies that are in this space, the nutritional homeopathic nutritional products. I'll get to, let me go ahead and see if I can get, here's Dr. Gustavo, and he worked for a wellness giant. I'm not going to mention any names, but he chose to come on board and be on the medical advisory side for Vital Health Global. And I was very, very impressed with his presentation. He reviewed the quality parameters, evaluating the vital health supplements. And so every single little thing, this man is a brilliant microbiologist. His work has been published in PubMed, Johns Hopkins, and he's quite a researcher. So heavy metals analysis, biological activity, bioaccessibility of the biological compounds, absorption into your cells, which is the key thing when you're looking for lining yourself up with a nutritional company. Now, back here, he designed this, and this is infostatic in vitro simulation of gastrointestinal food digestion. So, bioaccessibility of droppers after consumption. So, he analyzed the liquid. There's a couple of liquid nutraceuticals that Vital Health Global sells. The v-nitro, which is an incredible product. It helps produce with that nitric oxide to give you mental clarity and focus all day long without any stimulants. You'll notice the alertness improvement. I've seen it. I'm 66 years old and I'm flying like there's no tomorrow, and it's late in the afternoon when I'm making this training video here. So it also helps with the absorption, the v-nitro product. It helps with the absorption capacity of all the nutrients that you put into your body. So you're kind of amplifying what those nutritional substances are as they go into your body. Here is the bronze package, which is the $200 entry level into the full part of the compensation plan in Vital Health Global. And so it's at $200. And so these are the products. I'm not going to go over those. I've done some individual product reviews already on my Rumble and my, let me go back. Well, I'll just go ahead and mention this. This is me after I had toured, had to put on a hairnet, had to put a helmet over the hairnet, had to put on a face mask, had to put on a lab coat, had to put on like a face mask, but it's for your feet, so you don't trap germs into their laboratory. And so they actually do 2 shifts of production during the week, and then from 1 in the morning when the second shift finished until 6 in the morning or 7 in the morning, they have a crew that comes in and just scrubs down the laboratory, and they check. Management has inspectors that check all of these processes. They go in at 7 o'clock in the morning and they're looking for if they can find any bacteria that would be a problem in the production process. They check every 30 minutes about are the weights right on how much is going into each capsule. And my friends, that's very important. I was in a company that is based in the United States and Utah, which many of them are, and they were shipping me products that were half filled. And so many of those companies, they outsource that kind of work. And so Vital Health Global, it's all in-house. And that is huge when it comes to being able to have competitive advantage. And this is why the products are priced at a very reasonable price compared to your overly priced products in most of the wellness space out there. I just want to mention from June 6th to 21st, our team, if you purchase the Platinum Pro package, which is $1,200, you'll receive a free bio electric scanner that I've just shown you, and it will be sent as soon as it becomes available. Your products will be sent right away, but your scanner will not arrive until sometime in July because they're out of stock. They had such a huge run on those scanners. So contact me about if you need to know more about that. And that's a promotion that's already ended. Once again, here is that warehouse, and this is all of that in the background is where the new laboratory will be inside there, outside of where you see all the pallets on the floor. And so this is a very, very well organized company, my friends. And so there's 4 principles at Vital Health Global: detox, nourish, detox, restore, nourish, and then awaken. So, and there's the price list for the United States. Most of the products are $25. Some of them have some expensive ingredients, and the price goes up. But it's even like I want to quickly mention to you the collagen. Here, an affiliate gets that collagen, which has the some ingredients that are really popular now, and $45 for a bag of that collagen that lasts you a month. That's incredible. And so there's that scanner where I was scanned by my sponsor. And so, and there's Dr. Rodriguez on the left, and he's a brilliant, brilliant man. And so that's the V Daily product, which is incredible. That V Daily product, let me go off of screen share. That V Daily product, it got me through long periods of where we only had our breakfast, and then the next time we ate wasn't until the evening, because we were running around touring all of the facilities at Vital Health Global down in their headquarters in Sonora in Mexico. And so it is a very quality company with very good management, with people leading the company with many years of experience. This is going to be the next huge company in the wellness space, my friends. They have a warehouse in Arizona for fulfillment of all the USA shipping. And then one last thing I want to tell you about, they control the climate, and they only buy natural. On your product bags, it says all natural. So the ingredients are all organic, all vegan. And so, except for the collagen now, don't want to mislead you there. And then the last thing is that when they ship the product, it's on a refrigerated truck, because it gets very hot down there in Mexico in the summer. And then that way you're keeping the bioavailability. Once you get those products, you're going to experience wellness like you've never experienced in your life. So that's it for this review. I highly recommend. And so if you want to go, I'll show you how to go to my website. It's vitalhealthglobal.com. Let me just go to the website, and then you would need my username, which is Heal with Daniel, and my name's Daniel Parsons. And so you need to actually call me or message me on Telegram, because that way I can put you where the best place is for you for growth, because you'll benefit from people above you building their business and placing people under you. So that way I control where you go onto the team. So you need to call me. My phone number is area code 360-383-0265. Pacific Time Zone weekdays. This is Daniel, highly recommending Vital Health Global. Bye for now.